Who just shot me?
What's up guys, CF Production here, hope you guys are doing well. This video is all about me going to 801 Airsoft with my Lightning McQueen custom Kappa made by CY Kappa Customs and playing a casual game but getting some crazy shots. Hope you guys enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to see any more videos, comment on what you want to see next. And stay tuned for the message after. But I want to give a huge shout out to all my sponsors really quick, especially CY Kappa Customs, who make the best custom Kappa builds. Please enjoy the video, and I'm still going to send it. Also, I need to point out this game mode is TDM, our team deathmatch. There is unlimited lives, no respawn count. On top of that, ricochets do not count. I do want to mention that now because some ricochets hit my camera. I want to point that out before you guys think I'm cheating. I am not cheating. Ricochets do not count in this session.
Yep. Over here. He's out! Good job. Damn right. sorry. Oh, good shot.
That was such a good run, dude.
As a front player, I gotta get better at one balls.
I got that whole last thing.
Hell yeah. Watch this. Because I know he's right there. Yep. Damn it. Damn it. Hold up. Connor, I got your back. Connor, I got your back. Down the hallway, down the hallway. Hey, down in the snake. Down in here. Down the hallway, down the hallway. Hey, down in the snake. Down in here. Look at that. Look at that. Did you get that jump? You did? Oh, that was badass. That was actually so badass.
That was right behind you.
Whoa, good shot. That was damn good. That was that kid in the Santa hat. Reloading. Oh, good shot! That was crazy. I didn't think I hit him. Because I went back so fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, good shot!
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and like the video. It would really mean a lot. Also comment on what you want to see next in the next video. Just for a quick brief message, I want to give a huge shout out to all my sponsors. I want to give a huge shout out to my teammate Connor Buss, or Send It Bussin', for coming with me that day. And I want to give a huge shout out to the staff and all the other players at 801 Airsoft in that session with us. And yeah, and I hope you guys are ready for the next video. Again, please like and subscribe. And don't be silly. I'm still going to send it.